Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a makeup session with me, and obviously I already finished the video, but I'm doing the intro just to make or look presentable to you guys. And I forgot to turn off the AC. Wake up. Okay, I'm back to business. So yes, this is going to be a makeup session slash thanking the brand. This is a full face using one brand ish, because they didn't send me any foundation, so I'll be putting it here too later. So yes, here is the makeup that I'm talking about. Everything in this bag I use in my face, and I like the outcome except for my eyeliner, and I hope when I edit this video it doesn't look pangit sa inyo, because in the mirror I'm not happy about it, and I don't have time to delete it or erase it and redo it again because it's already afternoon, close to night, and I have a lot of things to do pa. So yeah, this is the stuff from LA Colors. This is not the PR. This is just what I got because I joined their giveaway on TikTok and I won. And some of my friends won too. And thank you so much, LA Colors, for letting us try your products. I don't have a discount code for you guys if you are planning on buying them, but they are affordable and they are everywhere as well. So yeah, LA Colors. First product that I can show you is this LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. I love it so much. I'm super happy with this. I love my nose contour and my highlighter. I feel like I put too much highlighter in my nose, but yeah, I love this as a contour. It makes a lot of difference with my face. As you guys can see, I look super sleek. And I only use this. And if you want to know, if you've been watching me, you know my favorite contour is from Anastasia, and I already hit the pan. And I'm planning on buying it. This is my favorite contour. I'm planning on buying them, but because LA Colors introduced me to this one, I'm already hooked. I used this color for bronzer at first, and then I contour with this, and it's super nice. It looks good in my face, in my skin tone, and I love it. So yeah, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love that. That's my favorite from everything inside this bag. Second favorite, this is their LA Colors multi-purpose brush. And this is super nice as well because I can use this to contour, but this time I didn't use it to contour. I used this to swipe off the excess powder when I bake. So this is super nice. Shadow, I like it too. It's super pigmented. I'll show you some swatches later, but super nice. And I know this will be affordable because LA Colors are super affordable yet super nice. And this is their nude palette in the I Love Makeup collection. Blush is pigmented as well. I use this one. Highlighter, I messed it up big time, but I like it. My face is glowing. I like it. And I messed it up big time right there, but it's okay. This is the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder. This one, first time trying it. This is the Illuminating Skin Enhancer Light Reflecting Drops. I tried dropping it in my hand and just put some in my nose and in my lip area. It looks nice. I just wish it's lighter, because right now I can tell that I put something under my powder highlighter and I'm not happy about it, but it really enhanced the highlight for sure. So maybe I'll buy a lighter version of this one soon. so I can try it and let you guys know if I still like it. But yeah, it's really nice. It's the lip oil because I use a lip tint from Peripera. By the way, this is not a sponsored. This is my favorite lip tint right now. This is the TNT Water Gel Peripera. It's available at CVS. I purchased this with my own money. So yeah. But I will look if they have that at Carist, if you can find it at any CVS, because that's the last one from the CVS that I visited months ago. And if I have that at my Carist shop, by the way, follow me on Carist. I'll put the link down in the description box. It's a shop where you can buy all your YouTuber favorites. You can purchase it there in a less amount or discounted price. But yeah, here is the lip oil, LA Color lip oil. I didn't try it, but let me try it in front of you guys. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. It's nice. It's not sticky and it's not super shiny, which I like. I like it. Smells vanilla too, and it's not sticky. This one I'm super disappointed. Oh, I'm disappointed about this one. It's super chunky. In my arm, it doesn't look chunky at all. But in my eyes, it's super chunky. That I'm not happy about it. So yeah, maybe I put my black liner first, and then once it's dried out, I'll put it over. I'll try that next time, because what I did was I put the gold, you'll see it later in the video, and then I let it dry a little bit, but I thought it's completely dry, but it's not. I put a black liner and it messed up big time. Thankfully I have lashes on, because if not, you'll see how I messed it up. And this one, lastly in the bag, no, this one is the LA High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. I'm not into lip gloss, but I'll definitely try this next time or put it on a giveaway. Thank you so much, LA Colors. And lastly, a nail polish, and it looks nice. This is the LA Colors Hypno Holographic Nail Polish. Looks nice. I'll do this later. That's the product that I won from their giveaway on TikTok. Follow them on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. Dito tayo bila natin kahit hindi ko kilala. Saya-saya, ayoko lang mahalata. Arte. Reklamo ay wala kayong pakialam. Ooh! Ang saya-saya lang. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. That's it. I know it's a little, rush, but I like it a lot. I like how simple and easy to make, and I look super glowy, and oh my god, that contour makes it super different sa face ko. I look slimmer. I like it a lot. It looks really natural. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you in my next video. Follow me on Instagram, is Christine_Meren. So yeah, thank you. Bye.